Hello, Liliana Encinas with Santa Barbara City Fire Department. And in today's informational videos, we're going to be talking about the three types of vaccine. The CDC recommends we should get the first COVID-19 vaccine available to us. Do not wait for a specific brand. All currently authorized and recommended COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective. And CDC does not recommend one vaccine over another. Let's talk first about the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccines. These specific COVID-19 mRNA vaccines teach our cells how to create a protein or even just a piece of a protein found in the surface of the coronavirus called the spike protein. Once the instructions, the mRNA, are inside the immune cells, the cells use them to make the protein piece. After the protein piece is made, the cell breaks down the instructions and gets rid of them. Next, the cell displays the protein piece on its surface. Our immune system recognizes that that protein does not belong there and begins building an immune response and making antibodies, like what happens in natural infection against COVID-19. The Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine is 95% effective in protecting people who get both doses. And the Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine is 94% effective in protecting people who get both doses. So now let's talk about the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. This is a viral vector vaccine. And viral vector vaccines use a modified version of a different virus, the vector, to deliver important instructions to our cells. For COVID-19 viral vector vaccines, the vector, not the virus that causes COVID-19, but a different harmless virus, will enter a cell in our body and then use the cell to produce a harmless piece of the virus that causes COVID-19. This piece is known as a spike protein, and it is only found on the surface of the virus that causes COVID-19. The cell displays the spike protein on its surface, and our immune system recognizes that it doesn't belong there. So this then triggers our immune system to begin producing antibodies and activating other immune cells to fight off what it thinks is an infection. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine was 66.3% effective in the clinical trials. However, it is 93% effective in preventing COVID-19 related hospitalizations and 100% effective in preventing COVID-19 related deaths with only one dose. So when our body responds to these vaccines, it can sometimes cause tiredness, headache, muscle pains, nausea, or even mild fever. These are normal signs that the vaccines are working. So at the end of all this process, our bodies have learned how to protect against future infections. For more information on the COVID-19 vaccines, you can visit the Santa Barbara County Public Health website at publichealthspc.org, or you can also visit the CDC's website at cdc.gov. Thank you for joining us.